To provide feedback on Trust Wallet installation, follow this step-by-step guide. First, ensure you have installed the Trust Wallet application on your mobile device, either from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Settings menu, usually found in the top right or left corner of the screen. Look for the option that says Help and Support or Send Feedback. Clicking on this will open a new screen where you can provide your feedback. In the feedback section, you will typically find a text box where you can type your comments, suggestions, or issues you encountered during the installation process. Be as detailed as possible when describing your experience, including any errors or difficulties you faced. If you encountered any issues during installation, such as compatibility problems or download errors, describe these in your feedback. If the installation was successful and you were able to set up your wallet without any issues, you can provide positive feedback and suggest areas for improvement. In addition to your comments, you may also be given the option to rate your experience with the installation process. This is usually in the form of a star rating system, where 1 star is poor and 5 stars is excellent. Once you have entered your feedback and rated your experience, click the Submit button to send your comments to the Trust Wallet development team. Your feedback is invaluable in helping the team identify areas for improvement and make necessary changes to the installation process. By following these steps, you can provide constructive feedback on your Trust Wallet installation experience, helping to improve the overall user experience for yourself and others. Remember to be honest and detailed in your feedback, and do not hesitate to suggest new features or improvements that you think would be beneficial to the application.